In this question, we have to find x. We are given an equation 4 to the power x plus 3 equals to 112 plus 8 multiplied by 4 to the power x. We'll simplify this. 4 to the power x plus 3. Now you know this formula. A to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. We'll use the same formula here. So this would be 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 to the power x is equals to 112 plus 8 times 4 to the power x. Now this is going to come as 64 multiplied by 4 to the power x is equals to 112 plus 8 times 4 to the power x. Like all the other equations, to solve it, easiest way is to get all the variables on one side. So we'll put all the variables on one side. 64 multiplied by 4 to the power x minus 8 multiplied by 4 to the power x is equals to 112. Now we can directly subtract them because they are making like terms. But if you don't understand that logic, then we can let 4 to the power x be a. So this would be 64a minus 8a is equals to 112. That is going to give us 64 minus 8 is 56. So 56a is equals to 112. So we get the value of a as 112 divided by 56. That is 2. But in the question, it asked us x, not a. So we'll just replace a. That was equal to 4 to the power x is equals to 2. We want the same bases now. So base can be 2. 4 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power 2x is equals to 2 to the power 1. Base are same, so power should also be equal. So therefore, 2x is equals to 1. This gives us the value of x. X will be equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. X is equal to 1 by 2. And please remember to do this also.